So, in the past, there was enough food to feed the world, but what? This is like an intro to our current situation with food and how it was before. So, there was a lot of food in the world, and there still is. But in the past, the biggest problem was it wasn't what?
Sí.
No, there wasn't.
Accessible.
Good. So it wasn't accessible and it wasn't distributed equally. So we had a lot and we didn't share with other people. Today, there is, even if we evenly distributed all the food, what do you think would happen to people? So the United States says, I'm going to share all my food with the rest of the world and we're going to evenly distribute it and we're not going to waste it. No?
They sold it to each other.
No. If look.
The world would have to be under one power.
Well, yeah, but let's say politics was not involved. And I said, we're going to evenly distribute the food throughout the whole world. What would happen to most people in the world?
They'll be fed, or maybe they won't run out of food before they
Maybe. That's not the answer though.
They'll die.
Why? Oh,
Wait, they're strong?
what's going to happen is, I'm going to take food and I'm going to evenly distribute it throughout the world. What kind of food do you think I can get enough of to share throughout the whole world? Bread. If we eat bread and rice, are we going to have the appropriate nutritional value? No. That's what malnourished is. So if you don't know what malnourished is, it means you're not getting the appropriate nutrition in your diet. Most foods that are produced in the world, they come from agriculture, obviously.
Okay, agriculture and farming.
And farming. What are these foods? Look at the picture. Corn. Potatoes. The pictures are right there.
I don't know that part.
Wheat.
I can't see it.
And David said it.
Rice.
Rice. And this is the order, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold on, let me write that down.
What does the order mean?
That means the most produced foods in the world is wheat, then rice, then corn, and then potato. Who remembers what MDC stands for in LDC? Nope.
That's LCD.
When we're talking about, when we reference this class, we do this a lot. We compare two major groups of people. What are they? Good. More developed countries, Melanie, like us, and less developed countries like, let's say, Africa, okay? So more developed countries are overnourished. Why?
Way too much food.
What kind?
Food that's good.
Like what? If we're overnourished, and we're gonna use that word nourished.
carbs.
Well, no. If
No,
we're,
meats. and
meats, good. Half of our diet
Nice.
comes from meat and fish and oils, let's say, and you guys mentioned fats, versus less developed countries that 3/4 of their diet is from carbs. So they are undernourished and hungry and malnourished, which means they have a deficiency in protein. That's what our lab is going to be about tomorrow, by the way, protein.
We have a